Hey, welcome back to Big Eric's. We've been busy over the last few days stocking our shelves with over 150 new items for both the chef at home and for those working in a commercial kitchen or a food service environment. Did you know that we have a large selection of baking supplies? Everything needed for baking your famous homemade bread to your favorite cookie or pies. From sheet pans to loaf pans, decorating tips to high heat scrapers, it's all right here at Big Eric's. And when visiting, check out our beautiful selection of Mason Cash bakeware, the kind that Grandma has. So if you're celebrating National Sticky Bun Day on the 19th or National Banana Bread Day on the 23rd, we got you covered. Because we're here and we're ready to serve. Stop by our Nova Scotia location in Dartmouth or our location in St. John's, Newfoundland, where you'll find thousands of products to help make your workload a little easier, lighter, and sweeter. So thanks for dropping by, and remember, our Nova Scotia location is open every Saturday from 9 to 3, where you can enjoy a cappuccino, latte, espresso, coffee, or a good cup of tea while you shop.